This 3D video was created by me using a magical AI tool with just one simple prompt, completely for free. No editing, no complicated steps. You heard it right. Today I'm introducing an amazing tool called LoomFlow AI. It's powered by cutting-edge AI technology that can turn a simple prompt into a vivid AI-generated 3D story video while keeping the characters perfectly consistent. No brainstorming, no editing needed. If you're interested, make sure to like, subscribe, and save this video. Step 1. Explore the platform. After clicking the link in the comment section, simply click Login. You can use any email account to sign in. Once you do, you'll get 60 free coins instantly. You'll see that the interface is clean and simple. On the left side, there's a toolbar where you can find AI Story and the popular Sora 2 feature. Click on AI Story. On the right side, you'll see the video creation panel with several video styles to choose from, including 3D cartoon, Disney, comic, GTA, anime, and more. No more talking, let's jump right in and get started. Step 2. Making AI Story. If you already have a story script, you can simply paste it here. But the true power of LoomFlow AI lies in its AI creation feature. If you're not sure how to write a script, just use the built-in AI creation tool. Type in a simple idea, and it will automatically generate a complete video for you with one click. Let me show you how it works. We'll start with this prompt. A little girl found a dragon egg in the forest. After the dragon hatched, the little girl embarked on a magical journey with it. Then, on the left panel, set your language and video style. Scroll down to adjust the video length, then hit Generate, and you're done. You'll see that LoomFlow AI not only expands the story and visuals naturally, but also maintains perfect character consistency, all from just one simple prompt. I can confidently say that when it comes to understanding longer narratives and maintaining story continuity, LoomFlow AI ranks among the very best AI tools on the market. If you feel the scene needs more details or you want to add new visuals, simply hover over the image and click the plus button on the right. There, you can describe the new scene and add matching subtitles and voiceovers. If you want to edit specific scenes, you can easily do it here. Click the button next to the image, and in this panel, simply enter a new prompt to let the AI redraw that scene for you. Perfect for fixing any detail you don't like. Let me show you an example. For example, if I only want to keep the little girl and the dragon egg in the scene, all I need to do is add a few specific descriptive keywords. And in just a moment, the scene is perfectly adjusted. I'm really satisfied with the result. And if you want to adjust the subtitles or the length of the text on your video, you can directly click the text on the screen, edit it, and hit Apply. LoomFlow AI will automatically update both the voiceover and the visuals accordingly.
Suddenly, the girl found a big egg on the forest.
If you want to turn the images into animations, just click here to generate it with one click.
Sunlit forest. A curious little girl with bright blue eyes and golden hair wanders among towering trees. Suddenly, the girl found a big egg on the forest.
Step 3. All-in-one video editing. On the right panel, you'll find dozens of voice options, different tones, and font styles. Everything you need to customize your video.
Or a good temper, the more it is spent, the more...
You can even choose background music, BGM, that matches your story's mood and tweak the text style to fit perfectly. Of course, you can also adjust the subtitle format. Customize the font style and size to best fit the scene, or simply remove the subtitles altogether if you prefer. LoomFlow AI includes all essential video tools: voiceover, background music, subtitles, and editing, all in one place. No need for extra software. With just a few clicks, you can complete the entire video production process. Fast, efficient, and super convenient. All right, let's check out the results and see how amazing they are.
In a sunlit forest, a curious little girl with bright blue eyes and golden hair wanders among towering trees. Suddenly, the girl found a big egg on the forest. Her heart races with excitement. Cracks begin to form, and with a gentle pop, the egg splits open to reveal a tiny dragon with shimmering scales. The little dragon blinks up at her, and a bond is instantly formed. Two new friends ready for adventure. Together, they set off deeper into the forest, where sunlight dances through leaves and magic fills the air. They discover sparkling streams, whispering trees, and hidden glades where the air hums with enchantment. At night, under a sky full of stars, the dragon breathes tiny sparks, illuminating their cozy campfire. With newfound courage, they face challenges, crossing rivers, climbing cliffs, and solving nature's mysteries. Each challenge strengthens their friendship, teaching them trust, bravery, and the magic of believing. Finally, they fly toward the rainbow, looking out over a world filled with endless possibilities.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.